Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let's do a complete set of Surya Namaskar. Let's start. Stretch your hands to form Namaste at the heart center. Inhale, stretch your arms up above and gently arc back as you exhale. Now reach forward and lower down. Your spine is straight. You may bend your knees if you want. If possible, head touches the knees. We move to Asana. Step your right leg back as much as you can and rest the right knee down on the mat. Tuck the right toe under. Send your right knee back. Your body is in a straight line. Let us move into that plank-like position. Hold your breath. Now gently bring the knees down. Bring your chest down between your hands, keeping the hips up and the elbows tucked into the body, and rest your chin down on the mat. Inhale and gently slide forward. We are in Cobra pose. Look up. Press the palms down into the floor and raise straight up to be in the downward dog. You may adjust yourself here. We move to Asana by swinging your leg forward between your hands and then gently place your left knee down onto the mat and look forward. Gently tuck your left toe under. Take a big step forward with your left leg. Here, you may bend your knees if you need. Fingertips touches the mat, or if possible, you can straight up the legs. Send your hands to the front and straight. Spine is straight. Hands are up above your head and push back as much as possible and bring the arms down gently to form Namaste at the heart center. Now let us do the same on the next side to complete the set. Exhale, prayer pose. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Asana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, prayer pose, and relax. Thank you for joining me in this practice. If you haven't, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.